Every woman loves to drape a sari, but at the same time there is also a constant competition among each other about their blouse designs. If you want to take your sari look to a whole new level, then you can do that by choosing a stunning blouse design. More than the front part, the blouse back neck designs are important, as the entire back portion is clearly visible, and the more attractive it will be, the more stunning your sari will look. Here we are presenting some unique blouse patterns for those women who are constantly in search for the stunning blouse back neck designs of 2023. So keep watching and write down your favorite design in the comments section below.
We are fading. Want something more if you would just stay here for